Okay, so this is the accounts checklist. Nothing kills momentum like a login wall. Now, what do I mean? You'll know in a couple of seconds. So, you are ready to work, but one tool wants a token, another wants a code, and your day disappears. When accounts are not set up, your AI routines stall. No two-factor authentications, lost API keys, and no WhatsApp templates approved. So automation never starts. So in the next few minutes, we'll take through a single checklist and get your core stack live. ChatGPT, your CRM, in our case it would be Go High Level, Zapier, Make, Notion or Airtable, Calendly, Twilio or WhatsApp, so that by the end you will have a completed checklist and compliant WhatsApp consent text ready to paste. Okay, so here is how it is gonna look like. Open accounts checklist printable. This is how the document is going to be like. You can certainly format it to make it look better. Okay, so this is the accounts checklist. Core accounts, compliance reminders, and sign off. Cool. Now let us do this step by step. What you do is you tick the paper checklist. Fast wins first. So in accounts checklist printable.docs, like we just saw here, this one, tick lines you have already done. For example, ChatGPT OpenAI login. Login works, two-factor enabled, billing set, and minimal data usage policy noted. Similarly for Go High Level, Zapier, Make, Notion, Calendly, Twilio, Typeform, and Google Workspace. Once you've done ticked all of these, you are actually good to go. Next, you flip to the tracker. What is this tracker? Let's find this out. There's another accounts checklist tracker, and this is the tracker. The service, the accounts email, the status, two-factor enabled, role access, APIs, compliance, and blah blah. So you have this tracker where you track all of the details like status, two-factor authentication, API key, integration tested, compliance notes, and primary owner, and last verified. Update one row live for GHL. So okay, that's step 2. Step 3, lock WhatsApp consent and opt out. Again, you can refer to the template that's here. WhatsApp consent and opt out templates. I agree to receive WhatsApp updates from blah blah blah, and so on. So you have an English format, you have an Arabic format. So you make sure that you are getting the WhatsApp consent, and what you do is you store the consent record, name, phone, and timestamp. You honor the stop automatically and confirm the removal. Use approved templates on WhatsApp Business API, and all of the content right now that I explained is educational only and not legal advice. Verify with DLD and RERA and follow your brokerage's policy. Okay. Finally, Momentum loves checkmarks. With logins, two-factor authentications, and consent or opt-out handled, your automations actually run. Download the pack I have attached. Tick the accounts checklist printable while you watch, and fill accounts checklist, the Excel file, and API keys vault template.csv. Paste the English and or the Arabic consent lines in your form and WhatsApp templates today.